Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. My name is Jackson. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell stocks inside Robinhood using the website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you are logged into Robinhood. If you don't have an account already, I will drop a link down below for you to sign up. After your account has been created and approved, then you can go up to the search bar here and search for a ticker that you wish to buy a stock on. For this example, I'll go with GoPro. After we have the page loaded on the stock we want to purchase, we can go ahead and enter how many shares we want to actually buy. So for this example, I'll just do 25. After you type in the number of shares that you want to actually purchase, this will change to review order. Now, when you click this, it will confirm with you that you are placing a market order to buy 25 shares of GoPro. If you don't want to do a market order, what you can do is actually click this little drop-down button here, and this will bring you to the different order types. There's a limit order, stop loss order, stop limit order, trailing stop order, or recurring investment. I'm going to go through each one of these and explain to you what they are. Just note that I'll be only focusing on buys, but the sells will be the exact same, but in reverse. So for a market order, all it is it will go out to the market and find the best possible price. This is actually one of my biggest pet peeves about Robinhood, because if you have seen other videos about Robinhood in the past, is they will not always give you the best price on market orders. So what you can do to actually mitigate this is going with a limit order. So a limit basically specifies how much you are willing to pay for a stock. So GoPro is currently trading for $10.01, but let's just say I'm feeling extra cheap today and I do not like paying that 1 cent. So I can just say, do not sell me GoPro unless it is only selling for $10. So then if it ever actually hits $10, my order will be filled. So let's just say GoPro is going down really a lot today, and if it hits $7, I want to buy it. So what we can do is come up here to the stop price, and we can set what's called a stop loss order. What we can do is just say, if GoPro ever hits $7, then we want to buy 25 shares. And then we can review the order and hit continue. It's going to yell at you and say, hey, this is pretty far in advance. What you could do is then change this from a good to day. So this is the expiration on how long out that the expiration will go. And you can say leave it until it is actually filled or canceled. So we can allow this to stay open for up to 60 days. It'll continuously, the order will just sit in a queue and say whenever GoPro's price hits $7 or lower, fill this order. The next order type on our list is a stop limit order. And what this dictates is there's now two fields that we need to worry about. There's the stop price and the limit price, and both of them act a little bit differently. The stop price activates the limit order. So the stop price here will specify the lowest price that you're willing to accept from a buyer. What you can do is if you want to actually place one of these, you tell the market that you can want to buy shares only at a designated price if it falls under the limit. Now we get to my personal favorite one, and this is a trailing order stop. What this is saying that if the stock falls by a certain amount, based on a percentage or a fixed value, then it will execute either a buy or a sell. So I use this a lot to see if there is, say, some really good news that come out one day that say, let's say the stock jumps up 10%. We want to sell the stock immediately as soon as it hits up 10%. Or if we know that if there's bad news coming out, but we still are bullish on the company long term, then we could say if it falls 20% in one day or in one time frame, then it will automatically buy the stock for us. Robinhood also has the feature to do recurring investments. I've never used this, but you can enter in like $1,000 and then have it run every day. So like every day you get paid, or every other week that you get paid, you could dollar cost average in to automatically buy investments. I'm sure it's a pretty good strategy for those of you who need the sort of, constant reminder, but personally, I would just rather have more control over what I'm invested in. All right, so what about selling? If you already own the stock, what you can do is go to the shares that you own. I'm going to use FUV for this example, and you'll see a new column here. This will be sell. So we could go here, and you really can just enter in how many shares you want to sell. So I'll just do 25 for this example, hit review order, and once again, this will go and do a market order. However, just to remind you that all of the other order types that we just talked about on the previous example all still apply here. So we could do a limit order here and say if FUV crosses the $20 mark, we want to sell 25 shares and we want to have it good till cancel. So it will run for 60 days. If it ever hits $20 a share, sell it. With that being said, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Jackson. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you want to see content similar to this one. Thanks again. Talk to you guys next time.